So how many of you have taken challenges like 90-day challenge, 30-day challenge, 1 week challenge? Many of you will say yes, right? Now next question to those people who have taken challenges in their life is, how many of you have successfully completed all those challenges? So if your answer is yes, then this video is not for you, because congratulations, you have successfully mastered the skill. You are consistent. And if your answer is a big no or a small no, then this video is definitely for you. Why? Because today's video is going to be about consistency. See, if you have watched this video of mine where I have given you 90 days challenge, that means you are on the challenge. If you are struggling and you're not consistent, you're not understanding what to do now, you should watch this video. This video is only for you. Those who have not watched the video, I want to tell them that a few days ago I have made this video where I have given 90 days challenge. This video was very successful because a lot of you people have watched that video. This video motivated you all and you have taken the challenge. So it is my duty, if you're struggling throughout the challenge, then I should give you some solution. This video is proper researched video how you can maintain consistency while learning English. If any challenge you have taken, you don't have to be upset. I have got your back. It's always nice to know what all we are going to cover in this video so that you have better clarity whether you should watch this video or not. So these are the key points you need to read, which is showing on the screen. I'm going to explain these points for you. Okay, these are not my points. These are proper researched points that I'm going to discuss with you all. Also, with you people, I am also finding it difficult to maintain consistency these days in uploading videos, in other sort of things. So I'm also going to apply these things in my daily life. First point, to change how you think about something. You want to learn English, this is your main thing. The challenge is this, that I will do these tasks to improve my English, but you're not able to complete those tasks. The first reason is that you're not thinking the right way. You're thinking the opposite of what you should think. You think that, ma'am, I want to improve English, my English is not improving, I'm not able to learn vocabulary. Stop all these things. Throw all these things in the dustbin and throw it away, or just delete it from your mind. Only one thing you have to tell your mind very clearly is that I know English. Simple. You know English. If you are from India, most of the time when we are speaking in Hindi also, we use a lot of English words. So you know English. It's just that you don't know how to put those words together and frame sentences. Okay, first change the way you think. Next, make plan and go deep into it. You'll ask, what do you mean by that? This is the what we are doing. No, you're not doing it right way. You have to make a very clear plan. Okay, I'm not saying plan for 90 days. That I have already given you. You can watch video here. But I'm telling you to plan for each hour to each day. Go deep into it and plan, right? Simplify each and everything for your brain so that it could motivate you to do that. How you can do it, let's just understand by example. 4 things we've discussed: reading, writing, speaking and listening. My today's manifesto is that I will speak English. Okay, I'll focus on speaking today. What all I can tell my brain that I will do is that first, speaking is my today's major task or my important task that I will focus in entire day. First thing, I'll practice for 20 minutes. With whom I'll practice, I'll define that also. Like, I'll talk over this call. I'll call somebody through this app and I will talk to him. What topic I want to include in it, what topic will I cover today, I'll converse with that person, is this. Every single thing, every minute detail you give your brain, then see the results. Your brain will tell you to take the action. A lot of you will say, ma'am, after doing all of these things, I'm not able to be consistent on this journey. I'm not able to do all the tasks. I'm not able to finish all the tasks. Then where you are going wrong, let's just understand. Here comes effect of diminishing. Let's just understand what it is in simple words. What happened is, today you have watched this video of mine and you got motivated that from now onwards I'll practice English every day and I will improve my English, and I have taken 90 days challenge, right? Today you were motivated, you have a lot of enthusiasm, you did everything. Tomorrow you caught up with some work and you procrastinated, you didn't do. Next day your brain is saying you're busy, we'll do it afterwards, in the evening we do it at night, and then that day finishes. You didn't do that, right? And on third day now you are in utter guilt. Oh my god, I am not doing what I promised myself to do, right? Now you're self-pity. And day after day, what you are doing, you are not following that, and even now you are not at all interested. Now this challenge has gone somewhere else. Now you're not doing it. First day you were motivated, you have done everything. Next day you didn't do. 50% interest is gone. Now you have only 50% interest in learning all those things in the challenge itself. Now next day also you have not done. 20% of interest gone. So like this you will lose interest day by day, and one fine day you will quit, right? Out of guilt or because you have lost the interest. How not to delay? So अगर मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कोई काम आपको डिले नहीं करना है, उसका मतलब क्या होता है? Do it now. Just trick your brain. So I have got you 2 ways to trick your brain. Visualization. Now you have to do it in 2 parts, positive and negative. And what to visualize? You have to visualize how you will feel when you will become fluent in English, or whatever your reason of learning English is. Like, if I'll be able to learn English properly, I'll get this job. If I'll be able to speak fluent English, how will I feel? I'll feel very confident. I'll feel very good. Like, imagine that moment when you're conversing with someone, or just imagine a fake conversation in your head with somebody, right? A good conversation where you are speaking fluently, and all of these things you have to do in English. See, and instantly you will see a rise of your interest, your confidence, and all of these things. Also, you can do it negatively. What are the consequences of not learning English? Why you have started? You have to remember that as well. You have to keep reminding these things to yourself. It is very important. Okay? So positives and negative, both you have to visualize. Whenever you are feeling guilty or you are self-pitying yourself, you're saying, oh my god, I'm not doing it. So instead of doing that, stop everything and start visualizing. It will hardly take 2 minutes. And from here, it comes 2-minute rule or 5-minute rule. What you have to do is you have to tell your brain that whatever it is, you can apply this in other tasks as well. Whatever it is which takes less than 5 minutes, I am going to do it right away, right now. I always do it, okay? Because I know if I'll not do this thing in 10 minutes, I'm not going to do it for entire day. I will be procrastinating, this work will never be done. But if I'll do this in 10 minutes, this work will be done. I'll feel good also. Also, there is no flight that I have to catch in 2 minutes, which will fly. No, it is not like that. So instantly the work you will do, it will make you feel confident, motivated as well. Next point is related to this one, and that is make action your motivation other than watching videos, thinking negatively about yourself, or being underconfident or overthinking. Whenever you are not feeling motivated or you are self-pitying yourself, you are not feeling good, that you are not able to maintain the consistency, you are not learning, you're not improving, all of these things, put all those thoughts in one dustbin and throw that dustbin away, okay? Or just delete all those thoughts from your brain. Instead, make action your motivation. That means set very small little goals. This is something that I have learned from the book Atomic Habit. Also, I have made a video how to learn English using Atomic Habits, so you can go check it out. That video is literally my favorite video, and in that video I have combined the learnings from that book, and I have made a plan using those learnings to learn English. So it's a must watch. Coming back to the point, the thing is that make action your motivation. Do not seek for any video. I'm saying do not watch my video as well. Whenever you are needing any motivation or something, like after watching this video, do not watch any other video, because what you are doing is you're watching video after video after video, and the purpose is still not served. So what you have to do after watching this video, just stop it. Do not seek motivation outside there, like somebody will come and they will motivate you and they will change your life. No, nothing. It never happens. It is not going to happen ever. No video, nothing can change your life. It is you only who can change your life. Your actions will. So what you have to do is make action your motivation. The feeling that you will get after doing that little task for yourself, which you have planned for yourself, never feel after watching video. It's as simple as that. So what you have to do is, let's just understand this by example. So if I'm not feeling confident, I'm not consistent, nothing, like 10 days have been passed and now I have learned nothing, I have forgotten everything, all the words and everything, so I have to restart. What I will do, I will make exact plans. I'll go deep into it, but those plans will be very small tasks I'll keep for myself, so that I can achieve that achievable plans. Like, I will read one page today, so I will do it. Also, what you can do is to make one manifesto, like for today, for each day, each manifesto. Today my manifesto is to think in English, right? So I will forget about everything else. I will only keep reminding throughout the day that I have to think in English. So in that way, what I did was, it was a very small thing for me, because just only one task I have given to myself, and I will just keep reminding myself on and off that I have to think in English. So try out these things. Make action your motivation. Whenever you are not feeling motivated, instead of watching reels or something or whatever, do tasks related to that. It is thinking about learning English, that is also fine. Or writing journal. If you're not feeling good, write journal, and then tell yourself, see, I have done this work. Tell your brain that I have done this work, I have written the whole page in English, I have practiced, right? So yeah. And final one is, make quitting difficult. To be able to be consistent in this journey, what you have to do is to make it difficult to quit. So you have to again trick your brain, you have to again do some tasks, do deliberate things, to commit publicly. Often what happens is, when we announce something publicly, we tend to do more work on that thing, because somewhere we have that in mind, that I have told everything about it, now I have to complete this thing, now I have to do it, right? The next one, it is my way. I have tried these things. Whenever I am inconsistent with something, or I'm not able to leave that thing, I do this thing. Actually, I have two piggy bank. One is having, this is number A and this is number B. This one is having 1,000 rupees and this one is having 0 rupees. So each week, I do it weekly. You can do it on your own if you like this, otherwise let it be. So what I do is, I will each week, if I have completed the task that I have assigned for me, the money will remain there. If I have not completed, then I will transfer 200 rupees from this piggy bank to that piggy bank. And the condition is, I will do it week after week. Okay, condition is, all the money that I have collected because of not being consistent, or because of not being able to do the tasks that I had planned for myself, I will give it to somebody I don't like, or I have to spend it on someone I do not like, or any family member or any relative or whatever, but I have to sacrifice it. In simple words, make yourself sacrifice something in the brain. You will be more serious about it, and in this way, quitting will be a little difficult for you. So I do it like that, because I do not like to lose my money. I try that money should be there in this bank only. So I try my best. So yeah, I hope you people have liked this video. If you